Hey guys, it's Perry here and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the SUEMORE LED strip lights brought to you by Run Deals. And if you didn't know this already, Run Deals has a really amazing app where if you download it, you can get access to a bunch of really awesome exclusive offers for products a lot like the one that we're going to open up right now. So let's check it out. Before I even take it out of its box, so adorable, you guys. It's light belt suitable for various scenes, and you can put it so many different places. So you can put it like underneath your couch, on your wall, you can put them outside, like really awesome. And it looks like they change to a variety of different colors and they connect through Bluetooth. And the little water drop leads me to believe that they are water resistant as well. So you have an LED controller. Okay, so it's like a little remote. We'll definitely have to look at the instructions. Here's all the different light settings. So cool, you guys. So it has like yellow, orange, green, teal, pink, blue, red. It has a flash setting. You can turn it up or down. You can make it jump, fade, flash, set it on auto. And then this is the LED power supply. Okay, so this is the cord that everything connects into. So it looks like it has quite a bit of length when you unravel it. So it gives you versatility. And this feels like a huge amount of them. Wow, this gives you two different things. First of all, so many feet of lights. This is absolutely crazy. And you just unravel and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, yes guys, it's so sticky. So whenever you pull off this back piece, it's already sticky. So you can just stick it to whatever surface and then when it's plugged in, it'll work. This is so awesome. I'm literally so excited. I'm gonna put these up in my bedroom. I'm gonna put them up on the bottom side of my couch. Like, this is about to change my whole space up. And the coolest thing about it is you just get so much in one little box. Like, this is gonna be able to do a whole room for sure. So can't wait to set these up. Highly recommend these. They feel really awesome. And the fact that they already come with adhesive on them is so cool and so convenient. Love these. Go get your LED strip lights. SUEMORE, brought to you by Run Deals.